A study of global data on more than 1,000 marine species around the world shows populations declined by 49% between 1970 and 2012. The study of marine mammals ranging from birds to reptiles and fish has highlighted that marine life is disappearing faster than conservationists have feared. The figure is actually 10% higher than their previous estimate. Whilst the potentially catastrophic decline is bad news for ecosystems, the findings spell trouble for all nations, especially people in the developing world who depend on the ocean's resources. According to the report, the blame for halving global fish stocks falls heavily on overfishing and climate change, with the deep-sea fish population down 72%. Rising water temperatures and increasing acidity have left 3/4 of coral reefs under threat. Experts highlight that we could lose coral reefs from most areas by 2050. There are also fears that 1/4 of the world's sharks, rays and skates could eventually become extinct.